G'day folks, well hopefully a quick one today. Had a fella drop this off the other day. He wants it fixed. Basically said he couldn't quite understand what was going on, but the gist I got was he went to change the blades and shortly thereafter it crapped out on the lawn, which I've already had a bit of a look at it and it's got used blades on it, so I'm not sure what was going on there, but there is a bit of oil spat out all over here, there and everywhere, so maybe he tipped it the wrong way, spun it over while it was tipped over. Not sure, so I'm just going to get some basic tools and just rip into it. Oh shit, that's tight. Wonder what our oil level is. Oh, I didn't grab a rag, so looks quite low. Great start. I mean, it's not all oily. Now you won't be able to see if there's a spark there, but put this on run. It's already on run. And there is zero spark. So I can either try another plug, or we might take this top cover off. You can already see oils everywhere. We'll give it a degrease and just make sure nothing's shorting out that kill wire in there. Might be the best bet, I think. Right, tried a spare plug, no difference. And then I'll put my spare plug in, nose good. Left it in mower, so hang on, we'll slap this one back in. Now we'll take this top cover off. Always keep an own good second-hand plug floating around, but I'm just swapping them out. Air filter drowned with oil. Oh crap. She's back with rubbish. We've got a lot of rubbish in here. So our engine won't be cooling very well with all this garbage packed all through the fins. So I'm just going to block this carb thread up and give everything a really good solid wash and degrease. We'll be back in a minute. So we'll let him dry in the sun for half an hour, but it's looking much cleaner. There's still grass and shit down in some of the spots, but nothing like it was. Apologise for the wind, guys. No, weather's turning to crap. So we've got two spare ignition coils out of the junk pile. We're going to go with the least trashy looking one to begin with. The trashy one does actually work, I know that one. and I've quickly cleaned up all the earthing points on it. So that one is dead. Oh, it's got a big crack out the side of it. Never seen that before. Oh, so that's dead. Now for the gap, we're just going to eyeball it. Looks pretty good there. Right, slap this top on. See if we got life. We'll just let it light off for no, not very long at all, and then we'll address the oil situation. There's still oil in there, so not like it's empty. There. That clip's a bit shit. That's better. Got fuel in it. There's fuel in it. It's got water in the fuel, so we'll have to pump that out a bit. Let's see what happens. Nothing. One more. First. It's alright, we'll be quickly switching out. Ah, she's dead. Alright, we'll swap this coil out again. Right. Swapped it out again.
air filter, and top the oil up and go for a spin.
So now we're losing the day to weather, but we've topped the oil up, got the glob of water out of the fuel tank. It's all pretty well sweet to go. I am going to just adjust the governor a little bit before I drop him off. And the blades on it are still okay. I'm going to just put an edge back on them. The guy's just bought the property and it's a bit wild and woolly, so there's no point putting brand new blades on it when there's chances are there's something in that grass he's going to hit and smash them up anyway. So I'll explain that to him, so he's welcome to come back, get blades as soon as he's, cleaned up all the roughage and got a clean slate to work with. With that, enjoy our failed shopping trip coming up in a sec. G'day folks, well it's 6:30 in the morning. There's only one or two reasons I get up this early. It's either to go buy shit or go to work, and it's my day off, so I'm going to go buy some shit. We're most of the way there. A quick pit stop, let doggy out for a walk, then we'll carry on. Now the aim is not to get there at opening because you'll get trampled on a Saturday, but no, we'll get there shortly after anyway. About half an hour away. Opens at 8. If I stop here for 10, I'll get there 20 past. Fucking hell, she's packed. Not as packed as sometimes, but still. Mainly all junk. There's another one of them blowers. Doing well on the tech front though.